a brilliant trick known only by experienced mechanics. It may look odd, but it makes a huge difference. When the sun is blazing, you could learn a thing or two from drivers down south. Covering your tires might seem strange, but it actually makes a lot of sense. UV rays and high temperatures accelerate the aging of rubber. Tires exposed to sunlight lose their flexibility, become brittle, may crack, and lose their performance. It's important to remember that unused tires should be stored in a cool, shaded place, the exact opposite of what happens in summer when they sit mounted in full sun. In such cases, even a simple cover made of cardboard can significantly extend tire life and help you avoid costly replacements. And it's not just the rubber that suffers. Suspension parts and brakes can also be damaged if they're exposed to intense heat and sunlight for long periods. A small effort that can save you a lot of money. This bottle trick is a well-known method used by thieves. It's important to be cautious if you see a plastic bottle wedged under your car's body near a wheel. These incidents are happening more often because thieves are getting more creative. The bottle trick is just one of their clever ways to steal a car without needing the keys. All they need is an ordinary empty drink bottle. If you spot one near your wheel, be careful. It's not an accident, but a planned scam. Thieves often place the bottle on the passenger side, knowing drivers rarely check there, especially when traveling alone. The idea is that as you start driving, the bottle gets stuck between the tire and the body, making a strange noise. Naturally, you'll stop and get out to see what's wrong. That's exactly what the thieves want. They're counting on you leaving the engine running and the doors open with your belongings inside. They can then quickly jump in and drive away or steal whatever you left in the car. It's an unpleasant and stressful situation, so stay alert and always check around your wheels before driving. It's also good to warn friends about this trick so they don't get caught off guard. They don't teach this in driving school. Become a perfect driver with these tips. You can park perfectly anywhere. Just follow these simple steps. Move close to the front of the car on your right until your right mirror is aligned with it. Turn the steering wheel 1.5 times to the left and slowly move forward until you see the parking line touch your car's door handle in the mirror. Then, turn the wheel 1.5 times to the right and start reversing. Straighten the wheel and continue backing up until your car fits perfectly into the parking space. Parallel parking. Approach the car in front and stop when your mirror aligns with the side mirror of the car next to you. This is the perfect starting position. Turn the wheel 1.5 times to the left and slowly reverse while watching your right mirror. When your rear door handle aligns with the car behind, stop. Straighten the wheel and keep reversing until your rear right tire touches the parking space's center line. Now, turn the wheel 1.5 times to the right and continue reversing until your car is perfectly parallel to the curb. Many drivers make the same mistake. They turn the wheel immediately when pulling out. Here's the correct way to do it. First, move forward without turning the wheel. Keep going until the end of your driver's door aligns with the front of the car next to you. Only then should you turn the wheel in the desired direction and continue driving out. This way, you'll avoid hitting the nearby vehicle. These simple methods will protect your car from unnecessary damage and make parking in tight spots much easier. A young mom showed me this trick. It makes traveling easier for everyone. Start by completely removing the headrest from your car seat. Car headrests are designed for easy removal. Next, take a Ziploc bag and place it sideways where the headrest rods go into the seat, with the opening on the side. Use a pen to poke holes in the bag where the rods will go through. Make 3 rows of holes. Now, reinsert the headrest into its original position. Simply slide your phone into the bag through the side opening, and you have an instant hands-free screen holder. This simple hack allows you or your passengers to watch movies, shows, or cartoons comfortably in a horizontal position. In just a few minutes, you'll have a practical and budget-friendly phone holder, no extra purchases or tools needed, easy, cheap, and functional. If you notice a coin placed behind your car door handle, it's a bad sign. You need to know what it means. Thieves are constantly coming up with new ways to steal. Sometimes, they're after what's inside your car. Other times, they want to steal the car itself. Automatically locked doors with a remote shouldn't open. So when you park somewhere, you just click the key and walk away, thinking the car is locked. But this doesn't stop thieves. Even in broad daylight, they don't need to break in. The coin trick is enough for them. Criminals place a coin in the handle to block the door. This simple trick keeps the door with the coin from locking, exactly what the thief wants. Most often, thieves put the coin in the passenger door handle. If you drive alone, you probably won't check that side of the car. This doesn't apply to all cars, so it's wise to check if the coin trick prevents your doors from locking. It could save you from major trouble. A white towel hanging on a car's side mirror is a very important signal for you. It's not a decoration or a random item. This small detail carries a hidden meaning. It's a simple but effective way to inform other drivers of something important. That's why you should always have such a towel in your car, especially when planning a longer trip. In the United States, hanging a white towel or piece of cloth on a car mirror is a well-known signal. Drivers use this simple method to indicate that the vehicle has been immobilized due to a breakdown, and they've left to seek help. This signal conveys two crucial messages. First, that no one in the car needs emergency assistance, and second, that the vehicle has not been abandoned. It's also a clear sign for law enforcement not to tow the car. The owner intends to return. So if you see such a towel, know that the driver needs time to get help and hasn't left the car unattended. Be cautious and respectful of the signal. My neighbors keep towels in their cars. At first, I thought it was just a coincidence or some strange habit, but over time I started noticing it more and more. Drivers in Southern Europe have been doing this for years. In Greece, Italy, or Malta, it's completely normal. No one explains it. They just place a towel on the dashboard and leave the car. Eventually, I decided to try it myself, and now I understand why. When temperatures rise, the inside of a car can heat up to extreme levels. It becomes unbearable without an open window or air conditioning, and the dashboard, exposed directly to the sun, can crack, harden, or warp. One simple white towel is enough to prevent that. It protects the dashboard from overheating and damage. Since then, I always keep a white towel in my car. This simple trick has saved me a lot of stress and potential repair costs.